Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today I'll show how to remove the headlight assembly on a first generation Ford Edge. If you only need to replace the bulb, you don't need to remove the entire headlight. I'll put a link in the description to a video showing how to just replace the bulb. To get access to the headlight bolts, I need to take off the bumper cover. First thing to do is go in the wheel well and remove these hex screws holding the liner to the bumper. I'm using a 7/32 inch socket for these. If you have fog lights, you'll need to unplug those. And I can reach right through here and get access to that plug. And here's what the plug for the fog light looks like. Next, take a look under the front bumper and you can see some more of those 7/32 inch screws going across. Right there. Those need to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 2 more left over here attaching this mud flap. Take those out and it's time to move up top. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic fasteners to remove. This one isn't a screw. The other 3 have a Phillips head. So maybe those 3 are original and this one was replaced. These are easy to remove. Just use 2 small flatheads. Pry it up at the indents and it pulls right out. And there's 2 10mm bolts too. Those plastic Phillips head screws can be stubborn. Only 1 out of the 3 came out with ease. Sometimes you have to pry them up. Those really tiny flathead screwdrivers work pretty well. Then lift up the plastic. And the other half of the connector comes right out. Next, give the bumper a steady pull outward where it meets the fender. Pull from the back here. And the whole bumper and grille will now slide forward. Notice I've got a mat ready to set the bumper on so it doesn't get scratched by the concrete floor. Now with the bumper out of the way, I have access to 1, 2 side bolts, and there's 1 on top. Now if you have small hands, you can unplug the bulbs from the back if you want to, or I prefer just to pull the headlight out and do it like this. And the headlight assembly is removed. If your headlight is cloudy or hazy, I've got a great tutorial on how to bring them back to a crystal clear finish that won't fade again over time. I'll put a link to that in the description. Consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project vehicle updates here at the 6th Gear Garage. Thanks for watching.